Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Power Automate to automatically send a mail once a form is submitted. So with Power Automate, it can ease that stress of every time someone submits a form. You go to the database, or if you're using an Excel sheet or SharePoint, you pick the email and send a mail every time someone does that. It's so hectic, but with Power Automate, you can be offline, and once someone submits the form, it sends a message automatically to the person. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Microsoft 365 account, and then click on Excel, and it opens this for you. It opens the Excel workspace for you. So you go to Insert, and then you click on Form, click on New Form, and this is the form. So one of the benefits why I prefer using online Microsoft 365 instead of using the desktop is so that once a response is submitted, it goes automatically to the Excel sheet. That means I don't need to download it. I don't need to download it and open it in the Excel sheet. It goes there automatically. Okay, so let's give this a title, and I'm going to use trying Power Automate. So we can add a picture to this. Okay, let me use Power Automate, and let's select the first one and add it. So this is the picture. You can put an alternative text, and I love when people use, always ensure that you put an alt text in any picture, either on Facebook or on Twitter or anything. It helps. It's for accessibility purposes. So I'm going to use Power Automate picture. I can always change the theme of this to, let's say, this. Okay, so this thing is okay. So the first thing we're going to ask is name, NAME, required. So the second one is going to be email, and then the last one is going to be a choice that will have you used Power Automate before? So the first option is going to be YES, a capital letter Y, and then the second one is going to be a no. So that is it. Okay, so you can go ahead and preview this. So the first one, let me put my name down. Let me put this. Have we used Power Automate before? I'm going to click on yes and then submit. So let me go back. We can go here, and we're going to see this is a response. So every time someone submits a response, you're going to see it like this. So let's go back to our Excel sheet. You can either use this, although I already have one open, so I'll go back here, and then you're going to see everything: the ID, the start time, the person started, the completion time, this email, the name of the person that submitted it. But this is the name I put in there, and then this is the email, and then this is the answers they have used for Automate before. So I can remove this column. I don't need this column for now. I can get it back later, but I don't need this column. So the next thing, you go to automate a tax. If you don't want to use automate, you can go directly to your Power Automate and create it there, but I just want to use from automate a tax. So we're going to see if it will come out. Run this, run that. Okay, no, it's not here. So we'll go to more templates. So this is the Power Automate sites, there are different templates here which you can pick. For ours, we're going to go to email and we're going to type, let's type form. So it opens it up, form. Okay, and this is what we need: send an email to responder once when response submitted in Microsoft Form. So that's what we need. We're going to pick that one and then click on continue. So when a new response is submitted, we need the form ID. So I named mine trying Power Automate one. If you want to use this, same thing for here, trying Power Automate one. So this is a condition that if so and so is true, do this, else do that. So if have you used Power Automate before? If it's equal to yes, this is case sensitive, so ensure that it's capital letter Y E S if you use that in your form. So if this is yes, this is going to happen. You're going to send email. Else, if it's no, something else will happen. For now, we're going to focus on the yes. So if it's yes, we don't need responder email. So we want the email the person filled in the form. In case the responder email is different from the one the person filled in the form, so we're going to use the one the person filled in the form email. And this we're going to use for our subject, trying Power Automate. Okay, so I'll delete this. So we can put hello and the person's name. Thank you for watching this video. So save it. So it's saving and save. You can change this. Always change the name. So I'm going to change the name to trying Power Automate Flow. So this is this. So save it again. Save. So you can check your flow checker to check if there's error or warning. So there's no error or warning, so our flow is good to go. And then let's test it. You can use manually or use automatically. So let me use manually and fill the form and see what's going to happen. So let's fill the form again with Chi. Then my email address is lady ANANESS gmail.com. Have you used Power Automate for years? So let's submit and let's go back to my flow. Okay, your flow ran successfully, and this is check 0 seconds, and this is true. So the condition for this is if the input is equal to true, do this, else do that. So let's check the input. So you check it. If it doesn't run, it's going to write display false here. So and this is what we sent to the person. So this is the message. So let's go check our message if it went. Okay, so we have another method of sending a mail, of doing this. If you don't want to add condition, if you don't want condition to be, you just want it to send immediately someone responds without checking for condition, you can delete this. You can delete this and put normal send a message. But the thing about using the other method is that this place has send an email v2. When you send an email with v2, the from message in the mail is going to be from your email address, from your personal email address, and then the other one has a v3. So v3 is going to display from Power Automate. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's delete this and click on new step. and then click on mail. So send an email notification. If you can check, this one has a v3 whereas the other one had a v2. So we click on email the person submitted. You can equally click on this in case the emails are different, but for that, no. Okay, so you put here trying power automate and put here hello name. This is an alternative method. Okay, so we can save it. So my flow has no error, so we can go ahead and test it. Since I've submitted before, I can use the previous one I used. So okay, and test. Okay, it has submitted. So this submitted. Let's check it out. So my flow ran successfully and I got the message. So for the V3, the message I was talking about, the V3, it has going to show from Microsoft Power Apps and Power Automate, whereas the V2 will show from your personal account to send the message from. And this has, if you want to unsubscribe, please use this form. And this is the V2, the one I sent from. You can see that it came from my personal account. So that is it for V3 and V2. So this is all about using Power Automate to automatically send a mail once a response is collected. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any message or you encountered an issue while creating a form or a flow, write it in the comment section and I'll respond to it. Thank you so much.